If you've ever tried to lease, release, or renew an IP address on your computer and encountered the frustrating, unable to contact your DHCP server error, you're not alone. This error typically appears when you attempt to run the command ipconfig/renew, or when the system tries to communicate with the DHCP server and can't. Essentially, it means your network interface card, NIC, is having trouble talking to the DHCP server, which is responsible for assigning IP addresses to devices on the network. When that connection fails, you get this error, which can prevent you from getting online or accessing network resources. The first thing you'll want to try is a simple fix through Device Manager. Start by searching for Device Manager in the Start menu and clicking on it. Once you're in the Device Manager window, look for the section labeled Network Adapters and expand it. You should see your network adapter listed there. Right-click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. This will check if your network adapter's driver is up to date, and if it's not, the system will download and install the latest version. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. If this method doesn't work, don't worry, there are other fixes you can try. The next method involves using the built-in troubleshooting tool in Windows. To get started, search for Troubleshoot Settings in the search bar and open it. Once you are in the Troubleshoot settings, click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet in the list, then click Run next to it. Windows will automatically scan your network setup for issues and attempt to fix any problems it finds. In the next block, this tool can be quite handy in resolving many network errors, including the one you're facing. On the other hand, if the error appeared after you recently updated your driver, you may want to roll back the driver to a previous version. To do this, right-click your network adapter in Device Manager, select Properties, then navigate to the Driver tab. If the Rollback Driver button is available, click it, and follow the prompts to revert to the previous version of the driver. If the option is grayed out, it means there isn't a backup of the old driver, so this solution won't be possible. After rolling back the driver, restart your computer and check if the issue persists. Another fix you can try is running a simple command in the command prompt. This method is relatively easy and harmless, as it helps reset some network configurations. To do this, open the Start menu, type Command, and right-click on Command Prompt to select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig/registerdns and press Enter. This command forces your computer to manually register its DNS settings and IP addresses. After the process completes, restart your computer and see if the error message has disappeared. Finally, if none of the previous solutions work, you may need to restart or start your DHCP client service. This service is responsible for managing the DHCP protocol on your computer, and if it's not running properly, it could be the cause of the error. To restart the service, press the Wind key +R to open the Run dialog. Type Services MC and click OK. This opens the Services window, where you'll need to find the DHCP client service. Right-click on it, select Properties, and check the service status. If it says running, click Stop and then click Start to restart the service. If it's not running at all, simply click the Start button. Set the startup type to Automatic to ensure the service starts with Windows. After making these changes, click Apply and then OK to save them. Restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the unable to contact your DHCP server error and get your network back up and running. If the problem persists, it might be worth checking your router settings or contacting your network administrator to ensure there aren't any issues on the server side. However, in most cases, these methods should help you resolve the issue and get back to a fully functional network connection.